In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wix SEO in 2025 using the SEO setup checklist. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll see, clarify what each choice means, and add a few practical tips so you feel confident by the end. First, open your site and start the Wix SEO setup checklist. Log in, go to My Sites, and select the site you want to optimize. Choose Select and Edit Site to open the dashboard. In the left menu, head to Marketing, then go to SEO or SEO Setup Checkup and click Get Started. This launches a guided workflow that turns best practices into simple tasks you can check off. Next, answer the business setup prompts. Enter your industry and the phrases people might use to describe your business or services. Be specific and accurate. This helps Wix tailor recommendations. Then choose how your business operates. If you have a physical location or serve a local area, select the local option for local SEO. If you're online only, like a blog, digital service, or e-commerce, pick the online option. Confirm each section by clicking Continue or Done so your answers are saved. Now configure your SEO and geo settings. For your homepage title, keep it short and include your main keyword plus your brand. For example, photography services, your brand. For the homepage description, write a clear 1 to 2 sentence summary that uses your primary keyword and a concise value proposition. In the Tell People About This Site field, mirror that same message so searchers see consistent language wherever it appears. Let's optimize the homepage content. Add a strong headline as your H1 that matches the intent of your title and uses your main keyword naturally. Follow it with a short paragraph that introduces what you offer using related keywords without stuffing. Near the top, include a bit more meaningful text, what you do, who you serve, and the key benefit, so search engines and visitors immediately understand your page. In SEO settings, make sure Allow Indexing is turned on so your homepage can appear in Google. Then connect your custom domain by clicking Connect a Domain and choosing your domain, such as yourdomain.com. Follow the prompts. You may need to update DNS records at your registrar, and changes can take a little time to propagate. Work through the remaining checklist tasks. Add alt text to important images, set clear page titles and descriptions for key pages, and review URL slugs so they're clean and readable. Use the why it's important or learning links to understand each recommendation and make smarter choices. Treat SEO as ongoing. Revisit the Wix SEO setup checklist whenever you add new pages or content, and follow the full Wix SEO checklist in Wix Studio to stay optimized for visibility on Google in 2025. That's how you set up the latest Wix SEO features in 2025. By running through the SEO setup checklist, optimizing your homepage title and description, adding readable content, and connecting a custom domain, you can significantly improve your site's visibility. Thanks for watching, and happy ranking!